everyone, welcome back. Here's how to fix the N26 app crashing or freezing on your phone. First, restart your device to clear temporary glitches. Then, you're going to head over to your app store, search for the app, and then update the app if you've not already updated it. Updating the app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes, so update it. Then, go to your settings app on Android, go to your settings app, then go to N26 and storage, then clear the cache. After that, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, close all the background running apps and also your N26 app. Wait for a few while and reopen it. This frees up memory and improves performance. After that, if the crash still continues, long press on the N26 app icon, remove app, then delete the app. After deleting it, go to your app store, search for the app and reinstall it. Keep your phone software updated to avoid compatibility issues. And that's how to fix the N26 app crashing or freezing. Subscribe for more tech and banking fixes.